Hi, I'm Kevin Poulius, and I'm going to be talking about my life today with you, people out there of America. Now, to start with my life, did you start from the beginning? Where'd you come from?
Oh, I'm spying on you.
Alright,
Let's, sort of out of focus, so let's,
well, I can't even see myself, punk.
Here we go.
Alright, I'll start with the beginning. I mean, I had that kind of birth defect.
Oh, yeah. Kevin was born a retarded baby.
I was not. I had brainwave issues. Ow. Alright, I don't know what his problem is, but I'm gonna try to tell you. Alright, when I went to preschool where
He can't see me.
Yes, I can. I can see the screen. Alright, I was at an orphanage for a couple of years.
Alright, I'm going.
Alright, good. Now, I was at an orphanage for a couple of years. Well, see,
Hey, Kevin, do you like my new book? I got 3D glasses on.
alright, see, I lived in an orphanage for a lot of years, or most of my life. And, see, I helped the orphanages eat their porridge and whatnot, and, some of the orphans, they were my friends, I had a lot of friends, but I grew up to be pretty successful. I'm gonna start my own company with, Kevin Inc.
I'm going.
He's an idiot. Don't worry about him. He was an idiot. Well, I went to school at Town Hall. Oh, my head. He sucks. Alright, anyway, I went to, Oh, dude, no, before the kid won't kill me. You got me! Weird!